What's up YouTube, this is Vase here, and today we are going to do a speed comparison between the Huawei Y7 Prime and the Huawei Mate 10 Lite. So let's begin. So first of all, I'm going to power on both the devices in 3, 2, 1, and they're powering up. On the right side I have the Huawei Y7 Prime, on the left side the Mate 10 Lite. And you can see that the Mate 10 Lite powered on quicker than the Y7 Prime. So let me enter the password. So first of all, we're going to open the camera in both the devices and see which camera opens up fast in 3, 2, 1. Okay, the Mate 10 Lite again opened the camera faster than the Y7 Prime. Okay, let's open the Play Store in both of them, and both of these devices are connected to the same network in 3, 2, 1. Okay, the Play Store again opened faster. Okay, let's open the call dialer in 3, 2, 1. Again the Mate 10 Lite, the contacts, I think that was a tie, the messages. Okay, the Y7 Prime was faster in this. Okay, let's open Chrome. Okay, I think that was a tie again. Let's open the gallery or maybe settings in 3, 2, 1. Okay, the Y7 Prime opened it faster. Let's open YouTube in 3, 2, 1. Okay, the Mate 10 Lite opened faster. Let's open the clock. Again the Mate 10 Lite. So as you can see in the memory, equal apps have been opened, and you can see easily that the Mate 10 Lite is a little bit faster than the Y7 Prime. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next one.